Since 2014, Extreme Aerial Productions has been very fortunate in the type of products that it is able to do. Anything from a simple TV commercial to being involved in blockbuster movies to doing these incredible high-level, high-accurate engineering-grade digital fly-throughs. At the time of this recording in 2025, January, we have done almost 30,000 missions, of which some 2,000 of them involve aerial mapping and helping our construction partners, land developers, and civil engineers understand the project at hand from existing through progression to developing final as-builts. We love what we do. We're excited every time we get a phone call and are very, very fortunate to have a wonderful internal geospatial team who even have a PhD, which they continually remind us about, to ensure that the data we give you is defensible, translatable, and utilizable on the job site. So thank you for watching this digital visualization. We appreciate all that you do for us and are looking forward to helping you on your next project.